Hi friends, it's Mariz and welcome back to Quick Fixes, your 2-minute answers to your most common tech problems. Today's featured question is, how can you put formula inside a text box? Sometimes you might want to move or resize the result of a formula for better flexibility or design purposes. For example, here we have a formula in cell C1 that adds A1 plus B1, giving us a result of 5. Now what if we want to display this result somewhere else on the sheet or customize its look? Putting the formula inside a text box is the perfect solution. To put your formula inside a text box, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step 1, go to the Insert tab, and in the text group, select Text Box. Step 2, draw the text box anywhere on your sheet. This creates a blank text box. Step 3, click on the text box to activate it. You'll notice the small circles along its edges. Step 4, click on the formula bar, type =, and then select the cell with your formula or data that you want to reference, in this case C1. Then press the Enter button, and the text box will now display the formula's result dynamically. And that's it. Now you can move, resize, or format your formula's result however you like, giving you more freedom to customize your Excel sheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or video requests, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!